Hey everyone, Amanda here with e-bike reviews and adventures. I have a question. Would you rather spend tens of thousands of dollars to replace all of your belongings or spend $11.99 as a precaution? The answer is simple, right? I'd rather spend less and gain more. Well, how do I do that? Again, simple. If you are new to the channel, please like this video and subscribe. Make sure you click on that bell and select all notifications so you don't miss any adventures. If you are a returning viewer, welcome back. Now on to today's video. So you can save time and money on your electric bill if you buy one of these BN Link timed chargers. You may even save lives. Not to be dramatic, but it is possible for the lithium batteries in your e-bikes and e-trikes to explode if they overcharge, causing serious devastation. Although rare, is it worth the risk to plug in your battery to charge, forget about it, and regret it later? Absolutely not. So how does it happen? Let me educate you. These lithium-ion batteries contain an electrolyte fluid component that is highly flammable. If these batteries get overheated, the fluid could ignite and cause the battery to explode, resulting in a fire. When a fault within the battery causes a short circuit that generates heat, this heat can trigger a chemical reaction that produces even more heat, causing the battery cell's structure to collapse and release even more heat. This chain reaction can spread to other cells, releasing toxic gases and a large amount of energy over a few minutes. The fire can be very hot and difficult to extinguish because the chemical reaction doesn't require oxygen from the air. Really, who has time to open up a battery and inspect it? These BN Link charging timers have 6 different options. You can set it for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, or 6 hours, depending on what your needs for it are. Use it for your crock pot, hair straightener, Christmas lights, e-bike batteries, and so on. This saves on your electric bill and keeps you and your family safe. Simply press the button with the correct time you desire for something to be charged and walk away. That easy. This does have a repeat function that allows your timer to perform the previous setting again as well. This is ETL listed, which means that this product has been tested and certified by electrical testing laboratories to comply with national safety standards. If you didn't feel safe before, you definitely do now. This item is also available for a replacement or refund after 30 days if you're not satisfied with the product. Anytime we sell one of our e-bikes or e-trikes, we give the consumer one of these chargers for free. That is how much we value the safety of others and how important it is to be mindful of how long you charge your bikes. If there's anything that you learned from this video, I hope it is how much we value your safety here at e-bike reviews and adventures. We encourage adventures and hope you have many, which is why we make these videos, to make your life a little easier and inform you of things that will be of value to you in the long run. I will see you in the next video, and until then, ride responsibly and ride safe.